once you get through the PPM and you understand everything, you're happy with everything, you like the sponsors, you like the deal, you're going to get what's called sub docs. They're subscription docs. And in it, you say, yes, I'm going to subscribe for $100,000, $200,000, $1 million, whatever your number and whatever your amount is.
If you're a residential real estate agent earning $200,000 a year and you want to grow your passive income, this show's for you. Learn the secrets other agents use and hear from experts in our field in order to guide you along your journey to investing in assets like apartment communities so that you can turn your commissions into cash flow. I'm Randall DeCleared. Let's go, baby.
All right, guys. Today I'm going to talk to you about very basic steps that you should do every single time you're looking at an investment to invest as a limited partner or in a passive way. So I'm specifically talking about, coming into a multifamily investment either through a syndication or through a fund if you're investing in a fund. So again, there are 4 steps and I'll go through them fairly quickly and I can have links to more detailed videos below. So the first thing, review the sponsor and the syndicator. Make sure that they've got a track record. And if they don't, make sure someone on their team has the operational know-how to get a deal from start to finish. If it's a value add deal, you need to make sure they have the contractors in place, they have the relationships, they have a track record of doing those deals. Very, very important. Again, I could go through a list of questions to ask that's going to be in a link down below. There's at least 20 questions, if not more, but 20 main questions that you need to be asking every single syndicator or sponsor that you work with. So again, check that out below. That's step 1. Step 2 is understanding the PPM and the offering docs. Now, this is a very detailed document, has 140 plus pages, some of them, and it stands for Private Placement Memorandum. So this is what goes through and outlines the deal, the sponsors, everybody that's involved in it, and how the whole deal is going to operate, how the money's distributed, what happens with your equity once you put it in or your capital once you invest, when you can get your money back out. All of those things are in that document. So it's highly recommended that you get an attorney to look at it if you don't understand the terms. But if you look at this every day and you see these types of offerings all the time, then you'll understand most of the terms in there.
We're proud to be sponsored by Ridgeline Investment Group. Ridgeline has a track record of transacting more than $53 million in assets throughout Texas. Ridgeline's currently looking to acquire 100 to 200 unit Class B multifamily communities between 5 and 20 million in San Antonio, Temple, Waco, Tyler, and other Texas secondary markets. To learn more about Ridgeline Investment Group, visit www.ridgelineig.com.
Again, there is going to be a link down below. Please take a look at it. It's going to go through in detail what you should be looking for in a PPM. So that's number 2. Number 3 is signing and wiring the documents. Fairly easy process once you get through the PPM and you understand everything, you're happy with everything, you like the sponsors, you like the deal. Really, you're going to get what's called sub docs. And in it, you say, yes, I'm going to subscribe for $100,000, $200,000, $1 million, whatever your number and whatever your amount is and whatever's available in that investment. That's where you put it in there, and then you wire your funds into either the escrow company, the title company, or into the bank account for the syndicator so that they can deploy the capital as needed. And then step 4 is just ongoing communication. So, you want to know going in what your cadence or what your cadence is the best word for it, that your sponsor is going to be communicating with you. With all of our deals, we have a back-end investor portal that you can actually log in, see all your investments, how they're performing, how your distributions are coming out, and all of that. And then we have usually at the beginning, if it's a value add type deal, we're going to have weekly calls to explain to all the partners how the deal is operating. And then from there, after it's getting stabilized or getting to the point to where it's at full occupancy, then we cut back to once a month and then sometimes once a quarter. But at any time, you can log into your portal, see how your investment's doing. You can always reach out to us. So just understand that cadence, that whatever sponsor you're working with, understand when they're going to communicate with you so that you expectation up front. So that's it for today. Check all our videos out down below, and obviously subscribe if this is helpful for you. Catch up with you guys soon. Bye.
Surprisingly, most of the agents we speak with got into real estate hoping to gain passive income and become work optional. However, only 1 in 5 ever start investing. Most are simply too afraid to start. Once you get educated by listening to this show, you'll be able to overcome that fear and become the 1 in 5 who are finding financial freedom. Don't miss a single episode. If you want to stay up to date, the best way is to make sure you're subscribed. So if you haven't done that, go ahead and do it now. And we'll catch you on the next episode.